The history of computers dates back to ancient times, with early devices like the abacus and the Antikythera mechanism laying the groundwork for future developments. In the 17th and 18th centuries, inventors such as Blaise Pascal and Gottfried Leibniz created mechanical calculators. The 19th century saw significant advances, most notably with Charles Babbage, who conceptualized the analytical engine, a mechanical device that foreshadowed modern computers. Meanwhile, Ada Lovelace recognized the machine's potential for tasks beyond arithmetic, making her the first computer programmer. The 20th century brought the rise of electrical computers, with milestones like the ENIAC, 1945, and UNIVAC, 1951, which marked the shift to digital, general-purpose computing. The 1960s and 70s saw the advent of mainframe computers and the development of integrated circuits, making machines faster and more efficient. The personal computer revolution of the 1970s and 80s, led by innovators like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, made computers affordable and accessible to the masses. The 1990s brought the internet and the World Wide Web, transforming the way people communicated